Today I'm making egg chili fry for lunch. Thought why not share with you all. So yes, welcome back to my channel. Today we are back again with another recipe video. Today I'll be sharing with you recipe of making egg chili fry in my way. So let's get started. To begin with, I'll show you what ingredients we need. Here I've taken 9 boiled eggs, cooking oil, freshly chopped green coriander, 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 thinly sliced onions, 3 sliced tomatoes, and in dry spices I have taken half spoon of turmeric powder, 1 spoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, this gives good color, no spicy, salt, and half spoon of red chili powder, this is spicy one. So let's begin. So here I've put the pan on, switch the gas on. The first thing I'm gonna do is gonna add in oil, 2 to 3 spoons, and let it become hot. Now that the oil is hot, I'm gonna add in chopped onions to it, and let it cook till it softens and becomes a bit brown. Now you can see the onions have turned a bit brown. At this point, I'm gonna add in 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste, finely chopped tomatoes, turn the gas to medium low, half spoon of turmeric powder, 1 spoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, salt as per taste, half spoon of red chili powder. Mix it very well and cover and cook it till the tomatoes are cooked nicely and the oil oozes out. This will take about 10-15 minutes. So done to medium low gas, and I'm going to cover and cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile our masala is cooking, what I'm going to do is I'm going to slice the eggs that we have boiled into two slowly, and similarly I'm going to do the rest of the eggs. Now I've sliced all the eggs. Let's see what's the status of the masala. Whoa, all the masala is also cooked very nicely. You can see clearly how the oil is oozing out. That means it's all ready. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to shift and transfer all the sliced eggs to this. It's going to give a good mix. And transfer all the eggs slowly one by one. Here I finished transferring all the eggs. I'm going to mix it slowly with soft hands so that all the eggs get mixed with the masala and get coated with it. I've done mixing all the eggs. It's been about 10 minutes and our egg chili fry is all ready. You can see how tasty and yummy it's looking. Just give it a soft swirl. At this point, I'm gonna add in some freshly chopped green coriander to it. Switch the gas off and cover and leave it for 2 minutes. It's been about 2 minutes and our egg chili fry is all ready. Let me show you how yummy it's turned out to be. See. So at this point, I'm gonna do
the plating and show you.
So I've finally done the plating. Let me show you how it's turned out to be. Look how yummy. Today I was running out of time, so I made this quick and instant egg chili fry recipe. See how it's yummy. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take one piece on my plate. Take one piece of paratha. Wow, it's so yummy, very quick, very instant. It gets cooked within no time. When you're very lazy one day, very easy recipe, you can try this recipe definitely. So do try this recipe. You can have it with dal, rice, chapati, paratha, or just serve it as a starter. It's very tasty. That's all for today's video. I hope you liked my video. If you do, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in your next video. Till then, be happy and stay smiling. Bye.